we're back. We're back and we're gonna keep continuing. We're gonna start with let me bring some instruction to this because I want to do this right. So we start with white and black. White. Black. So white, like I said, building that front entrance. I'm gonna have to put this in like this. This is white. And I'm gonna start with black in the next row. We're gonna opposite the black ones. Just going to alternate these. All right, so now I'm going to do the white ones. I'm going to fill this in. It's kind of a fancy front way, but you know, it's a Daily Bugle. So here with that, this like that. Alternate these. Okay. Oh wait, no, that's right. Looking at it wrong. I thought I'd started it wrong, but no, that's right. It's going to go one row past. I like the crookedness. Black. Black, black, a white.
I'm better than yesterday.
Huh.
Sure.
Okay, so I'm gonna these two here. That white one there, and that one like there, and that looks like that. And I know it's kind of crooked, but I have a blade that I can fix this so it doesn't look so crooked. If you can see how crooked it is, it's okay. I'll fix it. Don't worry. And then now I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna put this here. Here, this here, like that. I'm gonna put this here. Oh, okay. I was like, why does that look funny? It's because I started it. Of course, pick the one frickin' part that's gonna doggone stick real well. Okay, I dropped that one there. This one here, this is supposed to be like this. This is supposed to go here. This goes here. That goes there. This is here. That. this one here. This one here. That one there. It's supposed to look like that. And then take this one and put it right here next to that one. Like that. There's another square that goes here. 2, 3. This one off the table, sorry. I'm gonna have to widen this out a little bit. So there should be 4 here. Which is what it's telling me is 4 there. And then I'm gonna have 1 here. With this like this. And then this one here. And I have this here. And that one there. As you can see, oh wait, I've got one more thing to do right quick. So bear with me. So these are gonna go like this. Just like that. This one's gonna go over here. This one's gonna go over here. And I'm gonna turn the page here. And bump. Boom. Alright. Now she's starting to take shape a little bit, as you can see. Put some more brick in here, some more stuff. So, like I said, I'm going to fix this because this looks like, you can see it looks all crooked, but I'm going to fix that later on. I'm a stickler for detail. That kind of looks like somebody laid this drunk, doesn't it? That's okay because I'll fix that. That's not a problem. Alright, I will see you in the next video.